Welcome to the Property Code. I'm your host, Nick. Today we explore creative pathways to earn money online without upfront investment, leveraging 2025 digital trends and real-world case studies to guide you. Emma sat at her kitchen table early one morning, latte in hand and laptop open. She was a corporate professional who dreamed of a side income but had little spare cash to invest. As the latest remote work data showed millions shifting to flexible schedules, she wondered how to capture the online economy without deposit requirements. That week, she discovered three emerging models that changed everything. First, Emma found microservice marketplaces where she could sell her expertise by the minute. Platforms now allow professionals to offer virtual consultations in 15-minute increments, no subscription necessary. Emma, with her background in architectural design, created a profile offering quick feedback on floor plans. Demand for bite-sized consultations grew rapidly as hybrid workers remodeled home offices. With no listing fees and payments released immediately after each session, Emma earned a steady stream that reached $500 in her first month. Next, she turned to AI-powered content platforms. 2025 saw a widespread adoption of text-to-video and voice cloning tools that automate production. Emma recorded short educational videos on optimizing small space layouts and uploaded them to revenue-sharing networks. These platforms require zero capital and distribute ad revenue based on watch time. As her channel gained traction, she was able to reallocate time rather than money, growing ad returns to roughly $300 per month by producing 2 videos weekly. The final model Emma embraced was crowdsourced research pools. Companies outsource surveys, product testing, and data labeling through browser-based apps. 2025 innovations include instant payout systems and mobile SDK integrations, so workers receive funds after each task rather than waiting weekly. Emma spent her commute completing short tasks, earning $40 to $50 per week simply by opening an app on her phone. Without paying any fees, she built a diversified side income that scaled with her availability. Success in these online ventures demands disciplined time management and trust in emerging platforms. Emma treated her microservice profile like a business, continually refining her service titles to reflect search trends. She tracked video analytics on dashboards provided by the networks, A/B testing thumbnails, and adjusting video length to maximize views. For crowdsourced tasks, she installed productivity timers and set daily goals to prevent overcommitment. Risks include platform changes, algorithm updates, and payment delays. Emma mitigated these by maintaining multiple income streams. When ad rates dipped, she ramped up micro-consultations and research tasks. She also saved 10% of each payout into a separate savings account to cover any temporary slowdowns. Looking ahead, Emma plans to explore affiliate partnerships within her design videos, promoting digital tools she uses. She also intends to co-create a small membership community, leveraging a no-fee platform that recently integrated token-based tipping, an emerging trend in 2025 digital economies. Earning money online without investment is not about free lunches, but smart allocation of your skills, time, and emerging technologies. By combining microservices, AI content creation, and crowdsourced research, Emma built a multi-channel income model that requires zero startup capital yet delivers real-world results. Thank you for listening to The Property Code. If today's insights inspired you, subscribe. Until next time, stay innovative and keep building your financial future.